Make a great choice today with 2012 Avenger. The Avenger combines strength with fuel efficiency to ensure that its sporty looks do not deceive. Electronic stability control is designed to help you maintain control during inclement driving conditions. Surprisingly roomy, with the Avenger, you can have the sporty-looking car you want and still get the storage space you need. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, traction control, stability control, braking assist, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Come take a test drive today.